Hey Funnelish creators, have you ever wanted to replicate a high performing advertorial page but did not know where to start? Stick with me, I will show you exactly how to do it. So I am from Funnelish Template, a Funnelish expert, and in this tutorial I will guide you step by step through replicating a professional advertorial page using Funnelish. So by the end of this video you will know how to create a page that looks amazing and optimized for conversions. So today I will show you how to replicate this page using Funnelish. So this is the actual page that we will replicate. Yeah, they are using images and text. Yeah, this is the advertorial page. So let's get started. So first of all we will create a funnel. And night blue glasses. So let's copy and paste it here, create from scratch and create a new step, continue, choose the landing page and it will be an advertorial page. That's it. So this is our first page. So let's edit the page, and this is the preview of the page that we will create now. So in this page let's see what fonts they are using. So we can see they are using sans serif font in these whole pages. But sans serif font is not available in Funnelish. So first of all click start building your page and make it full width and click on page properties. Let's remove all padding and yeah, this font is not available in Funnelish, so we'll use Robot font. So let's inspect the page. Yeah. So we can see they are using max width 1100 pixel. So we have to do some custom code for that. Yeah, so this is the page. So let's inspect and select. We have to select the row. So this is the section and this is the row. So let's make it max width will be 1100 pixel and make it important. Copy row and paste it over custom code. Yeah, now our row is 1100 pixel. So let's delete this paragraph. And we can see they are using their left row 740 pixel. So we have to add 2 rows here, and the first one will be 740 pixel. So let's make it and let's see. It's 715 pixel. So let's make, yeah, let's see now. Now it's 770 pixel. I think it will work. So let's add a container on the left row, and as you can see they are using 10 pixel padding and left right 15 pixel margin. So let's give it 15 pixel and 10 pixel padding. Let's add the first text. So they're using 13 pixel font size and the font weight will be 400 pixel. Let's add a paragraph and remove margin and padding, and we have to copy the color code and paste it here. Select the all text and paste it here and make it 13 pixel, and we can see the line height is 21 pixels, so we have to use maybe 1.5. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay, 20 pixel. The margin bottom will be 25 pixel of this paragraph. Now let's add this text, copy, inspect, and we can see they are using 25 pixel margin bottom, so let's duplicate this text and paste it here. The font align will be left and it will be bold, and you can see it's black color and 42 pixel font size. The font color will be black. Yeah, it's perfect. Then we have to add this text and this image, so we have to add a container here. So let's add a container and the margin bottom will be 20 pixel. Make it, add a new box and make the first container box 40 pixel. Make it set fixed width. Let's copy the image address and inspect. You can see the margin right will be 10 pixel. Make it left align, remove the margin top and give a margin right which is 10 pixel and paste the image URL. We can see it's not working, so we have to download this image first. Just download and browse, then upload new images, and yeah, this one. Let's see, and we can see, oh, it's okay. The image is not loading. Yeah, it's working. So we have to remove margin right, and the border radius will be 100 pixel, so it will be full rounded. Let's see. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we have to add this text, so we can see the text font size will be, this one is 20 pixel and this one is 16 pixel. So let's copy this text and edit here. We can see they are using padding left which is 20 pixel. Make it left align and paste the text. Also select the container and make it center align. And we can see they are using 2 pixel border left on this paragraph. So let's add a 2 pixel border and make it only visible left. Let's see how it looking. We have to add a margin left, so we can set margin left 10 pixel. I think now it's okay. Yeah, it's okay now. Now we have to add font size and color. So we can see the font size is 20 pixels. Let's copy the font color, make it bold and make it first black. Select this text and make it 20 pixels and paste the color code. Here we go. It's okay. So now we have to add this image. So first of all, I will save this image and inspect. And you can see they did not use any margin bottom. So let's add the image and remove margin top. Click on upload image and this one. Yeah, it's okay. Now we have to add this text under the image. So let's copy the text and add a paragraph. Remove margin top and padding also. Make it left align and paste the text. It will be bold and italic. So the font color is black and the font size will be 22 pixels. And as you can see, they are using a background color. Yeah, this is the background color. You have to paste the background color here. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, looking good. We have to use a line height. Let's add 1.3. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, okay. So now we have to add this text. Let's copy and click on inspect. Let's add the paragraph, remove all padding, and we have to use line spacing which is 1.5, and let's paste the text, make them left align. No, we have to paste by Ctrl Shift P and make it left align. Maybe they are using margin top 25 pixel, I think. Let's see the font color and font size. This is the font color and font size will be 22 pixel. And we have to bold this text. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's download this image and click on inspect, and they are using 25 pixel margin bottom. Let's duplicate this image. Copy this text. We cannot copy this text, so we will add this later. Let's copy this text first. So duplicate this text. So yeah, now we can copy this text. So as you can see, here will not be any margin top, and we have to make a space and make it bold. Also make this text bold, this one also, and you can see they are using this color, so it will be here. Then we have to add a heading text. The margin will be top bottom 25 pixel. Let's add a heading and make it 25 top bottom, and remove all padding, make it left align, paste the text and make it bold. Let's see what is the font size and font color. The font size will be 34 pixel. And paste the color code over here and give it 1.4 line spacing. Let's see. We have to reduce line spacing. Yeah, now it's okay. We have to remove margin top, and let's see the font size on mobile screen first. So it's okay, but it's 28 pixel. And you can see this text is 22 pixel. 30. Yeah, it's okay. So now we have to use this image, duplicate this image and put it under the heading text. So actually this is a GIF, we can see, so it looks like a video. So let's copy this paragraph and copy it from here, take it under the picture and paste it here. This font color will be, yeah, sorry for that. This text will be bold. This also. Yeah, it's done. Let's see how it's looking. It's looking good. So the GIF is not loading still. Let's add this first. duplicate the image and put it under the paragraph. Also we have to copy this text. Duplicate this text and put it under the picture. Paste the content, text. Copy the color code and make this text bold. Let's copy this headline and duplicate it from this one. So duplicate this heading and put it under the text, paste it here, make it bold. It's okay, and save this image. Duplicate the image. We have to add this text, so let's copy this text and duplicate this text and put it under the picture. And we can see this another headline. I'm not sure what is the font size of this text. Yeah, this 25 pixel font size. So we have to add another headline here. Let's paste the text first. The font size will be 25 pixel and remove all padding. Also margin. Make line spacing 1.3. I think it's okay. Let's see. I have to make it 1.5. Paste the color code and let's see. We have to use 25 pixel margin bottom. Let's copy this text. It's still loading. We have to save this image first. Let's duplicate this image and put it under the paragraph. Copy this text. Upload new image. It's still downloading. We have to wait few seconds. So let's add the text first. We'll upload the image later. Let's delete this text paragraph and we will use this headline here. After that we have to use a paragraph again. Again a headline. Again paragraph. Then we have to use heading. Let's duplicate this headline and put it under this text, make it bold. Again we have to use this headline. Download this image. Yeah, we'll replace this image first. Oh shit, this is still downloading. We have to wait few minutes, I mean few seconds. Let's upload again. And you can upload this GIF too. I have to duplicate this image and put it here. We have to change this image. Yeah, it's okay. We have to add another paragraph. So this is the paragraph. Add a headline which is 25 pixel. Add another image. Duplicate this one. Let's copy this text. Yeah. Copy this headline and paste it under this text. Make it bold. Yeah, it's okay. Duplicate this image. Upload new image and select this one. Copy this text, duplicate, and the headline. We have to copy this text. We can see this text is not copying. So first let's copy this text. We will copy this text by inspect. Yeah, now we can copy this text. Then copy this text. Copy this headline and duplicate this one. Oh shit. We have to use another headline which is 34 pixel. We can see this. Let's copy this text and duplicate this one and make this bold, which is question, and answer will be normal text. Let's copy this text headline. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, everything looking good. Now we have to add this part, so let's add a container under the heading and make it 2 box. Save this image and you can see the image width is 258 pixel. Let's add image and make it left align and remove top margin. Also we have to copy this text. Let's duplicate this text and put it here. Make it center align, and you can see the font size is 25 pixel. It's okay, but only this image width will be 258. Yeah, it's okay now. You can see they are using 25 pixel per margin bottom. And let's see how it's looking on mobile. Yeah, so let's go to the mobile view and select the container, make it vertical and make it center align. Also add a spacer and make it 25 pixel margin top and remove the width and hide from tablet and desktop. It's okay. Now we have to duplicate this container. Let's see. So we have to duplicate this container 3 times. Let's add the text first. We have to replace the images. Now we have to add a headline. Let's copy this headline and bring it under the container, paste and make it bold. We have to add another image here. We can see this is a link. Let's copy the whole text. Paste the text and make it left align. Now we have to add this link. So first let's copy the color code, select the text, add the color here and click on it, and the URL will be hashtag. Yeah, it's okay, and also it will be underlined. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we have to add this headline. Again we have to add this text. Let's duplicate this text only. So after that, this text, copy the headline and bring it from here, put it another paragraph, make it bold, again copy, paste, copy, paste, copy and paste. That's it, we are almost finished. So let's add a container here, and the padding will be 15 pixel. The border color will be red, which is 2 pixel. Let's copy this text. You can see they are using 22 pixels, so let's duplicate this text and paste here. Remove margin bottom, make it bold. We can see they are using also red color here. And here will be another color. Now you have to add a button, so let's add a container and top bottom 20, left right 36 pixel margin. Now we have to add a button inside the container. Remove the margin top and the URL will be go to next page. Paste the text and make it stretch. The padding will be 15 pixel. Let's add the padding. This is the background color. Make line spacing 1.2, and we can see they're using 10 pixel border radius. So let's add 10 pixel border radius and remove the box shadow. They are using 20 pixel font size and make it bold. That's it. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking good. Now you have to add the footer. The footer background color will be black, padding 10 pixel, margin top 25 pixel. Let's copy all text at a time and take a paragraph, remove all padding and make line spacing 1.5. Paste all text, make the text color white. Now let's see the font size. We can see the font size is 15 pixel. I have to remove all the spacing from here. And this tree will be a link, so select and make it hashtag link. Now let's see the final look of our page. Yeah, it's okay. Now we have to add this right box. So let's see. So we have to add a container here. Margin left right will be 15 pixel and the padding will be 10 pixel. Inside this container we have to add another container and make padding 20 pixel, add a border, paste the border color. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's download this image, inspect. We can use full width. Copy this text, add a paragraph and remove all padding, add 1.3 font line spacing and paste the text, make it bold. You can see they are using 22 pixel font size. And this text will be 24 pixel. We have to add this button, so we already made this button. Just duplicate and put it under this text. Copy this text. I have to reduce the font size. It's 14 pixel. Also we can see the margin top is 20 and padding 15 pixel. It's finished already, it's almost done. So now we'll see how it's looking on mobile view. We have to remove padding. So we have to just remove margin left and right. So let's add this by custom code. So let's add margin 0. So it will be margin 0, make it important, and copy this class, paste it in the container section, also paste on this container section. We have to add this in a media. So the max width will be 480 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, now it's perfect. As you can see, it's perfect on mobile. This section is also perfect. So we have to duplicate the container with button. Let's do this. So select the container and duplicate, hide this container from mobile and select this container, and it will hide on tablet and desktop. The margin will be 0, I think. Let's see. The margin should be 20 pixel. Now it's okay. Also we have to add 50 pixel margin left, margin right. So first let's remove this class. and we can do it by custom code. Let's do it. The margin will be top bottom 0, left right 50 pixel. Make it important. Yeah, it's okay. So we have to paste the code inside media query. Everything is good. Now we have to reduce the font size of this footer. Then we have to add this button only on mobile view. So let's add a section, copy the background color of this section. The padding will be 15 pixel. Paste the background color, and we can duplicate this button and add it here. Remove the margin top. You can see, yeah, everything else is good, and we have to make it sticky, so it will be bottom. Yeah, it's perfect now. So we are finished. We have to hide this section from tablet and desktop, so it will not visible on desktop and tablet also. Yeah, we can see the page is finished. Yeah, everything else is good. So if you need my Funnelish services, you can contact me. Just comment below, and if you want to buy this advertorial page, just comment on the comment section. So if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Funnelish tips. Have questions or want me to replicate another page domain, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and I will show you, I will replicate the next page, which is the sales page, this page, in the next video. So yeah.